Hey guys, in this video we're making tons of cutest crafts for the LOL doll, including a liquid mattress, backpacks, pencil cases, a stroller and so on. So first we start with two PVC sheets and I seal them with an iron. I'm creating this kind of a bag and inside I'm gonna put tons of glitter and beads and all kinds of mermaid objects, and then I will seal part of it at the top again with the iron, and I will leave a little bit of space for the glue. So I decided to use glue instead of water. I'm sealing the bag and look what a beautiful mattress and a pillow we have. Now guys, let's build the base for the bed. I'm using cardboard and you need some kind of white paper because I want the mattress to be transparent, and you can use any mermaid scrapbook paper. And now guys, we're creating the house, so I'm basically assembling it using the objects that I create in my other videos. I just wanted to see what it will look like all put together. Now to the second craft, which is the rainbow pouch, for which you will need sticky rainbow foam paper. So it's basically stripes of foam paper in different colors. And I'm using a bit of Velcro, and we have a fake pouch. Now we will make a swing. We will only use cardboard, scrapbook paper and regular glue, and that's because I didn't want to use any hot glue because so many of you don't have it. So you just have to prepare a few pieces and glue them together. And we are done. And now we will prepare a rainbow bedroom for our LOL dolls. We will use tons of Disney stickers and we'll make a few beds and we'll decorate each bed with a colorful foam paper. It comes out very pretty, and this is, guys, something I actually saw online. Now let's make a stroller, and this stroller is good both for my LOL dolls and also for my miniature reborn dolls. I'm using a piece of cardboard that was actually a shoebox, and I glue on it not foam, actually you can use foam, but no, I used the fabric and felt. This stroller is very simple because you glue everything to the chair itself. I used buttons for the wheels, and at the back of it I attached an extra bag, and we are done. Now guys, let's make a very pretty purse. You need a regular foam paper. You can use hot glue. If you don't have it, guys, you need to use a different kind of glue. And we only use hot glue because it works really fast. That's the only reason. Now we will take a matchbox and we'll convert it into a backpack. We will cut out the shape of the backpack, both inside and outside. We will use an extra piece of cardstock to create the top of the bag, and also we will glue some kind of fabric on the top of it. You can use felt. Now we need a sticker. Now I'm decorating the part that's inside the bag. We will also need a ribbon, and I have here a different color at the back of the backpack. And we are done. And now the final craft. This is a watermelon round pencil case. This is felt and a piece of a zipper, and I'm gonna paint it with a nail polish. First white, then two types of green, then a marker, a green marker, and then you can use a black marker or puff paint. And we are done with this craft as well.